You have seen a balanced diet chart, a pyramid like this, right? Let's unfold a pitfall of the well-known balanced diet chart. Hi, Fumio Toki is here. Keto diets are fantastic for weight loss and general well-being. I'm trying to be a missionary of keto diets. We believed for so many years if we followed the balanced diet chart, we would stay healthy and we would not gain weight. But it doesn't work that way. Let me sort out the balanced diet chart by macronutrients, carbs, protein, and fats in percentage. They come to 70% carbs, 20% protein, and 10% or less fats. From the weight loss point of view, though, this balanced diet chart does not make sense. Do you know what the rules of those macronutrients, what carbs, protein, and fats do in our body? Their roles are different from each other. Carbohydrates' sole purpose is to be a fuel. It's just an energy source for our body. It's like a petrol or a gasoline for cars. There is no any other use of carbohydrates. The role of a protein is to supply materials, building blocks to our body parts. Our skin, internal organs, muscles, bones, hair, and nails are all made of protein. Our body is constantly regenerating itself. For example, we get a new layer of skin each month, and that can be done thanks to protein. So our body needs quite a lot of protein. Most of the time, protein we eat is used within our body, within our metabolism. Last one, fats. Fats become the cell membrane and hormones in our body. Cell membrane is the outer shell of the cell. We are actually a bunch of cells. In fact, we are made up with 37 trillion cells. That means we need a lot of fats for our rejuvenating cells. Fats are used to produce hormones such as testosterone, serotonin, and leptin. 60% of our brain is said to be fat. Our central nervous system also uses fats. Like protein, fats are an essential nutrient that we have to have. And the same as protein, most of fats are used up in our metabolism. Protein and fats would not be our body fat so easily. But carbs are, as I said, just a fuel. If you take in too much fuel, it's very easy to turn into our body fat. Now, let's think about the macronutrients if we follow the well-balanced diet chart. Say, we duck out the office, head to a Japanese takeaway shop, and get a bento box for our lunch. Nutrients in the bento box is very close to the balanced diet chart. The bento box contains about 65 grams of carbs, Most of the carbs come from rice. Protein in it is about 20 grams, fats 8 grams. Hopefully, fats in it are good fats. Apart from that, protein and fats are not an issue. The issue is rice. Issue is the carbs. You may say rice is rice, it should be okay. But when rice is digested in our body, it turns into glucose, which is sugar. By eating the bento box, we end up with 65 grams of sugar. 65 grams of sugar is a lot. It is equivalent to 14 teaspoons of sugar.
Oh, no.
If we hit the gym and work out for 1 hour and a half after lunch, then we may burn off excess sugar. But if we keep our desk work after lunch, our body stores excess sugar in the fat storage, which is our belly. 70% carbs in our diet are too high. It's so easy to gain weight. So what is the better balanced diet chart? Just flip over the pyramid. Here you go. This is the 21st century latest balanced diet chart. We want to eat plenty of fats. In the new well-balanced diet chart, 70% of our diets should come from fats. Good fats, hopefully. Animal fats like butter, ghee, tallow, lard are all good fat. I personally do not eat plant-based oils except extra virgin olive oil. I put a link in the description that shows how to manufacture canola oil. That process uses tons of chemicals. I'm not very sure they really is safe or not. You judge. Protein takes 20 to 25% in the chart. Carbs only 5%. It's just a guideline, so no need to be too by the book. In a nutshell though, we want to avoid starchy food, sugary food, and fruits in our diet if we want weight under our control. Any questions? Leave in the comments. I'm logging off. Enjoy your keto dieting. If you like my video, follow me on Twitter and subscribe my channel. Enjoy your day or a night.